1922, Kissimmee, Florida. 10 p.m. Sunday night. July in Florida. Hot and sticky. A car stops at the home of Oscar Mack in the Negro section of North Kissimmee. In the car are 4 members of the Klan. They walk up and shoot into the house. They never expected Oscar Mack would shoot back. 3 are hit. 2 will die. Vanishing in the hot July night, Oscar Mack will never be seen again. A black man had just killed 2 Klansmen. Quickly, a large angry mob forms, and no one expects mercy once they capture Oscar Mack. In 1922 Florida, the outcome? Predictable. The terrible reports came in. Oscar Mack had been lynched at Lake Jenny Jewel. But no evidence of Oscar's final moments turned up. So the manhunt went on and finally ends with nothing more. And for 90 years, the name Oscar Mack was lost to time. Until now.
And I think in telling the story, it's not about hatred or revenge. It's about reconciliation.
No.